Studying physics can lead to a very fascinating career with many opportunities at your disposal. We are going to briefly see a few perspectives from alumni, current students, and faculty from the physics department at AUC.
I am Hosni Omar, professor and chair of the physics department at AUC.
My name is Fadil Asabki, and I am professor of physics.
Our department is fortunate to have the best collection of physics teachers, as well as laboratories which are highly equipped, not to be compared with other labs anywhere else in the region.
We have wonderfully equipped labs to reinforce the lecture material that we teach.
Our department is fortunate to have the best selection of physics professors in the country and from abroad. Study of physics is a very important kind of a study because it has its bearings to different fields of sciences and technology.
A physicist is able to adapt to many different situations on the work job, in training courses, and so on.
And we are proud to have our graduates successful in different areas, ranging from oil companies to banking to industry.
I have been professor of physics for many years, and I've seen several graduating classes come and go.
My name is Mary Victor. I'm in my second year, third semester. I study computer science here at AUC.
Mohammed Thabit, mechanical engineering student at AUC.
I'm Lamia Shahata. I'm majoring in physics. This is my sixth semester at AUC, and my minors are computer science and philosophy. Physics is one of the most interesting sciences, and it's involved in our everyday lives.
A lot of physics principles are applied in engineering.
Everyone involves physics in their daily lives. I mean, starting from Newton's laws to gravity, we all know it.
I find physics interesting when I solve a problem. It uses a lot of my mind. It uses a lot of thinking. It's not just about memorizing. You have to totally understand what you're doing.
Students here get hands-on experience. It's much better to actually apply all the learning material that you take in class, and you apply it in lab experiments.
It's very interactive, the way the professor teaches, because there are not so many of us in class. So there's always a two-way between us and the teachers.
Physics is not about, at least here, it's not about memorizing concepts or rules, because sometimes you're given the rules or the formula in the test, so it's really about understanding the concept. And the teachers make it really easy for us to understand and answer. You can definitely ask any question, and there are a lot of office hours that you can just go to the doctor and talk to him about whatever in a course.
It's like a family environment. Everyone knows each other. All the doctors know all the students, and all the students know each other. It's very friendly. Many people see it as men's work, but I think sciences should really involve both males and females.
My name is Jumana Rifai. I graduated from the American University in Cairo in majoring in physics in 2003, and then I continued with my master's degree, and I graduated in 2006. Right now I'm a research assistant at the Science and Technology Research Center. I work in research, and at the same time I'm trying to pursue my PhD to continue my studies. For me, the best option was AUC. The department includes excellent professors. It's one of the best departments here at the American University in Cairo. You have normal classes. You can sit down in class and the professor lectures, you sit down and write notes, and then you take exams. In addition, you have experimental tests as well. You join labs, you go into a laboratory, and you experience everything technically. You see the equipment in front of you and you work with the equipment, and you also get tested on the equipment. It's useful because a lot of different companies require physicists. If you want to work in the petroleum engineer, there are a lot of petroleum companies that require physicists.
My name is Amr Fikri. I graduated from physics in 2002. When I first graduated, I joined the master's program at AUC. I finished my diploma at 2004, and then I joined Halliburton Logging in Saudi Arabia. I worked there for a couple of years. Then now I came here to join BP. I work in BP as a petrophysicist.
You also have other paths in physics.
My name is Zuwair al-Nashar. I've graduated in June '89 from physics as major physics and minor computer science. I'm now working as president and CEO of Meet Egypt. It's a company working for DC power system and specialized in photovoltaic solar energy.
Banks require people with scientific backgrounds. I actually know someone who actually moved into a bank after a scientific background.
My name is Osama Ali. I have graduated from physics department in 2003. My job experiences started directly after graduation. My first career opportunity was, surprisingly, in HSBC, which is a bank, a well-known bank here in Egypt. And currently I'm working as operations engineer in British Gas.
I think that physics is the theory of all applications.
It is true, physics is a theoretical science, but you can only be good in applications or in any applied science only if you know your theories well.
I have learned from physics to be systematic in my life. I've learned to put my objectives and then to put procedure and to implement these procedure on the objectives and then to measure the success of this implementation and to rectify the steps along the path of the implementation.
If I haven't attended all those physics courses about waves, all those labs about nuclear experiments and applications, I couldn't have gone easily through the path of my work.
I've studied physics, solid state science, minor computer science, and my application, the work I do now is photovoltaic, which is the same field as I have studied.
Working in operations, you are talking about, you have to have a background about chemistry, process engineering, maybe experience about instrumentation, communication systems. Now, what is the only science that can give you the basics of all these applied sciences? It's basically physics.
It actually helped me a lot to understand all the applications and all the instruments and the tools that we were using in our logging jobs.
The facilities, of course, of the department was very good and supported the ongoing educational activities during the program. And one of the interesting things that I found also was, for example, if me and a few colleagues of mine found an area in science very interesting, like fiber optics, we can actually form a group, go and speak to the department head, and they can just open a class for us and get us a professor to give us whatever the content that would satisfy our needs from this particular field of studies.
I was in a training course abroad in the UK, and I was talking to the professor. He's a professor in Cambridge. He was telling me that after doing a lot of studies, they found out that physics students are the most trainable guys in basically any technical industry.
Now that you have an idea of what physics is about at AUC and what it can offer, think of your role as a potential candidate in this exciting major.